Hello everybody, so here we are at year 2 for us at the Yorkshire Motorsport Festival. This is the preview event. It's a beautiful place. We'll talk to you all about our involvement in the show. But first of all, I'd like to introduce you to Steve from RRG. Steve was with me last time in a very cold field over in Holmfirth. This year we're going to get great weather like this, I'm sure. So Steve, just tell me first of all what it was like last year at the event. Did you enjoy yourselves? What was your highlight?
Last year was a bit unknown to us. It was the first time we'd done the Motorsport Festival. It was the first year of the Motorsport Festival. Right. So we didn't know what to expect overall. We put a big total stand on, and in what we feel that it was the best stand in the whole Yorkshire Motorsport Festival. I think we won.
Did you win an award for the best stand as well?
Yeah, we did win an award for the best stand. We got singled out. We made sure we had a party atmosphere, and I think that brought people in, that we didn't just stand off people. We wanted to draw people in, so we had music, we had balloons, we wanted kids' involvement. We really enjoyed people coming to our stand, and we had that welcoming atmosphere that we wanted people on our stand.
And you really were part of the community there, and obviously coming out of all the restrictions, everyone was dying to get out there. Anyway, this year's show, this is just the preview, but this year's show is going to be even bigger and even better. So just tell me a few of the things that you're looking forward to the most.
This year again, it was hard to beat last year, but we've put a lot of work in at RRG Huddersfield to try and maximise our presence this year. We're going to go all out. We're working with a charity of Forget Me Not, which is good. We're going to bring some all new Toyota product, which has not hit the dealerships yet, which we are looking forward to, and we'll talk about that later. But it's just going to be so much fun, and it's going to be an excellent weekend. Excellent,
great. Well, thanks for chatting to us. That's fantastic. So if you're thinking about coming to the Yorkshire Motorsport Festival, there's going to be all the details for booking it in the link below. We hope you have a fabulous time. On behalf of RRG Silsden, RRG Bradford and RRG Huddersfield, we hope you can get down, and we hope you have a fantastic day out. Thank you.
Thank you very much.